Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are on the golf course. We are actually in one of the penthouse blocks on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the region of Murcia. We're in block number 9 today, and I'm just showing you the views on the golf course. It's a little bit hazy today. We still have 29 degrees with about 85% humidity. We are on a virtual open house today presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Having said that, and having showed you now the views of this beautiful first floor apartment, I will show you now the terrace, where we've set up a slight dining area. Here we see the sun lounges. We see the agent in the mirror as always. And we just walk now into the living room of this beautifully set 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the lovely region of Murcia on the Costa Cálida. We are in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment which comes as seen, fitted and kitted with all appliances and furnishing you can see. The property is furnished to a standard to be ready for rent, is equipped with air conditioning in the living room, as well as fully furnished, as we can see, with television, sofas and all that. We have the dining table over here, and has also a fully fitted kitchen with dishwasher, microwave, extractor hob and oven, as well as a large fridge freezer. The kitchen is ideally located beside the entrance to the property, which I will show you now. I'm just walking out of the main door of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. I just show you a little bit of the surrounding. As I said before, it's a little bit hazy today. We enjoy still 29 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity of about 85%. In case you have any question, or you want to see a specific item again, just drop us a note at the bottom of the screen, and me or my team will be happy to assist. For any question as well regarding this property or any other you find on our dedicated webpage, Quality Homes Costa Cálida, we are here to help. This specific property you find under the reference number 2829, and the asking price is only 73,000 euros. As I said, it's sold as seen, and let me just show you now the master bedroom. Beautiful light sunshine comes in here. This is now the master bedroom of this well-appointed 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. All bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, as well as you can see with all the necessary furnishing for a holiday room, and has direct access again to the main terrace. The main terrace is then overlooking the golf course. Now the sun is coming out again. Beautiful. As I said before, it's a little bit of a hazy day today. We have quite a high humidity at the moment with 85%, and that's maybe also the reason why. Otherwise we still enjoy the summer with 29 degrees Celsius. You will ask, where is Condado de Alhama? Well, we are based in the region of Murcia, some 20 minutes away from the closest beach, which is Pol Nuevo in the port of Mazaron, about 35 minutes drive away from Murcia International Airport, and about 60 minutes drive away from Alicante International Airport. We are today in block 9 of the penthouse development here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and you have just seen the Czech Nicklaus signature golf course. We are walking back into the living room. I may welcome all new viewers. This is now the living room again of this well-appointed 2-bed, 1-bath apartment located on penthouse block 9 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. The apartment is fully fitted as we see on the video. I haven't shown you yet the bathroom, which is as well fitted with a bathtub, as you can see. As always, we cannot avoid to see the agent again, as the mirror is always placed in the center of the bathroom. And last but not least, the second bedroom, coming up here. The living room is air conditioned, and both bedrooms enjoy fitted wardrobes. You may want to see how they look in the inside. Well, let's have a look. Surprise, surprise. There we go. There's a top shelf, there's a rail to hang, and there's some additional storage space at the bottom. All conveniently just tucked it away and gone. We're going back through the hall into the living room. 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, asking price 73,000, reference number 2829 on qualityhomescostacalida.com, our dedicated webpage. This is again the dining area. Let me show you again the kitchen. As we said, the kitchen is fully fitted with dishwasher, oven hob extractor fan, microwave, fridge freezer, and a nice breakfast bar overlooking the dining area, living, and down to the terrace. We think it's an ideal investment for the moment. We have loads of interest as well on long-term rentals, so in case you think of investing, this might be one to decide about. I'm just showing you the outside, where is the main entrance to the property. We do see here, down here as well, that marked car parks, which means that every apartment has its own car park already reserved. Just showing you now the main road on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Actually, the occupancy has gone down, obviously, after the summer season. So we're now going back into the normal, more quiet and relaxed time of the year, which lasts normally until next year, starting Easter. Going back into the property, this would be the main entrance. The property is provided with a security door, just to show you the details now, which has several bolts which are securing your property, as well as the double glazed windows and all other specific items. Coming back into the property, I'm just showing you again the living room with its separated dining area. We think it's an amazing place and ideal for investors or for holiday makers alike. Just give another glance on the main terrace. There we go. It's getting more sunny now. Beautiful. Happy days. And I show you again the Nicklaus signature golf course. We think it's hole number 10. So what we see here is the 10th tee. So it goes then down there. It's an 18-hole Nicklaus signature golf course, managed by G&K. And we hope they will do it for many more years, because we think they're pretty good. Here we go. From the terrace, we walk also directly into the master bedroom, which is conveniently set up already for your future stay. Here we go. 2 bed, 1 bath on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, reference 2829 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price 73,000 euros or nearest offer. 2nd bedroom again. We will not fall in the trap with the mirror this time. There we go. Asking price is only 73,000 euros. Purchase costs are to be estimated around 13%. And Quality Homes Costa Calida, as always, is not charging any commission to the buyer. There we go. Kitchen, extractor, hob and oven, dishwasher, as well as fridge freezer, living room, dining area. It's reference 2829 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. where you will find this and many other properties on the golf resort of Condado de Alhama. As we said, we are about 25 minutes drive to Bolnuevo, the closest beach, and Puerto Mazarón, as well as some 35 minutes drive to Corbera International Airport and some 60 minutes to Alicante International Airport. We are connected through a motorway with as well the capital of the region, which is Murcia, as it's about, I would say, 30 minutes drive, and you're in the city. Beautiful. Obviously the golf course is quiet now at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. People have passed already. There we go. This is again the master bedroom. 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 73,000, ready to rumble. I would say it's a must to have a look at. The property is fitted with nearly everything what you can imagine, so I think it would be a good start for your future investment here in Spain. This is the bathroom. Again, we do see the agent. We can't avoid that. This is the bathtub, shower as well. So it's all conveniently designed for a very decent holiday stay, or also for a long-term stay and even for long-term rentals. In case you're also a property owner on Condado, maybe you want to pop in and talk to Eva, our rental department specialist, to find out the possibilities about long-term rentals on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Especially for those ones who have maybe not planned to come to Spain for the next year, might be a good option to get some additional income on your property in Spain. We are on penthouse block 8, on the first floor, apartment P916, at the modest asking price of 73,000 euros. Reference 2829 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. So, just let me once more show you the outside of this beautiful place, which means the main entrance and the garage, the parking space, which comes included in the property. Sorry, excuse me. Here we go. Down there you can see the car parks, which are dedicated to each apartment, has its own parking space. Apart from that, I may show you a little bit of the community. This is now the main road connecting the commercial center Alcázar with the golf course. We have our own commercial center on site, where you can find a supermarket which is open 7 days a week, as well as bars, restaurants, shops, and even estate agents like Quality Homes Costa Calida. We are registered with the Regional Chamber of Estate Agents, and our registration number is A137. In case you want to have a look at it. I'm just told it's A135. There we go. Rupert. It doesn't work like that. Here we go. And we are now entering the property as you would enter as a new owner. Just walk in here towards the main door of this beautiful 2-bed 1-bath apartment. Main door is a security door with several bolts and locks to make sure that only the owner comes in here. Apart from that, when we enter the property, to our right-hand side, we find the fully fitted kitchen with fridge, freezer, oven hob extractor fan, microwave, dishwasher. Adjacent to that, you will find the dining area, as well as the living room, which leads us already to the terrace, which is overlooking the golf course. As we said before, it's the 10th tee. It's nice, it's a very good temperature out here. We have 29 degrees today with 85% humidity, and it's brightening up now. The clouds are nearly disappearing now, so maybe we will have a wonderful sundown this evening. Happy days, there we go. Another glance on the outside chill out or alfresco dining area. Just walking into the master bedroom, which is directly connected to the terrace. Here we go with the master bedroom. It's quite sunny out there, so I just had to put up the sunglasses. No, I don't see anything. Happy days. Okay, this is the master bedroom now. Air conditioning in the living room. There we go with the bathroom, as well as the bathtub. So, and we also have the second bedroom. And all this you can find on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under the reference 2829. The asking price of this property is only 73,000 euros and is sold as seen with all appliances, all furnishing, what you can see on our quick virtual tour. So, we have some guests here now. Oh, we have two guests now. Normally I only have one guest. Today I have two guests. Well, what do I do? Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Special good afternoon to Marcello. Welcome to Quality Homes Costa Calida.
Thank you.
Marcello just moved over from Scotland.
Yes, last week.
What made you moving to Spain now with all this COVID and thing going on? What happened? Why are you here?
Firstly,
Tell us.
weather. Secondly, an amazing golf course. I purchased here last year with my partner. The apartments here are fantastic. The sense of community in Condado is amazing, and the golf course is absolutely outstanding. Loved it so much, due to circumstance, decided to move across. I arrived last Thursday, got the great opportunity to come on board with the team here. Which
Welcome on board.
I appreciate, and looking forward to assisting all these amazing clients here, you know, fulfilling their dream and buying here in the sun.
Happy days. Thank you very much. Welcome. We're really looking forward to collaborating, and I think you will be a big part of our team to help also people finding their dream home on Condado de Alhama or somewhere on the Costa Calida. Not to forget, Anna. What will we do next week, Anna? Because we have so many people who want us to do virtual house.
About next week, I need to make a little correction to something you've been saying. Unfortunately, I gave you the wrong printout, and the reference is changed. It's no longer reference 2829, it's 3338.
3338. So sorry for that, guys. I have totally misinformed you today.
We will correct it on the text so that you have the right info.
Yes.
Yeah, my mistake, because I gave the wrong printout.
Happy days. No problem at all.
Next week we will be looking at a corner ground floor. I'm not going to tell you which one yet. A corner ground floor in one of the gardens or naranjos.
Okay.
To be seen, to be decided.
This sounds good.
Very, very nice one. Something very special. A real home for people looking to move out or retire, spend longer periods. Something really, nice and cozy.
Space for home office?
Definitely space for home office.
Yeah.
Oh yes, definitely.
Because we see that this is getting more and more important now that people that we can display as well the possibility to work from home office, especially now as the community has invested massively into 100 megabyte fiber optic line for each property. So
this is going to improve our speed. I mean, the speed is already incredible the way it is. I'm running 5 devices at once sometimes. But now with the fiber coming up, onwards and upwards.
Okay.
So very much looking forward to that.
Happy days. Thank you very much. I just want to show you again now the golf course. As we said, it's a Czech Nicklaus signature golf course. Obviously nobody playing at the moment because it's too late in the day already. Well, guys, this was it. This was Quality Homes Costa Calida virtual open house today at the P918. 916. Happy days. Back into the living room. It's a little bit hot out there. So it was a pleasure to have you with us today. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope to see you next week again on our next virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.